This cart is the #1 most popular item on my Instagram feed, so I thought I would show you around and give you a bit of information about it. So this is from Costco. It's not an advert, this. It was £35 including VAT, and it was called Designer Tech 3-tier storage cart. And it was in the section where there were sort of tools, so I think it's meant for sort of tools and things like that. So that's the cart itself. It's got wheels, and I keep it underneath my stairs. So when I'm actually cleaning, I just take a little sort of handheld caddy with a few items in, and this is for storage under my stairs for the additional items. So I want to show you today what my favourite cleaning products are on here. So as you can see, I've stocked up on Minkies. I definitely had a bit of a panic buy of those. I do really like them. I like the fact that they're antibacterial and they're abrasive on this side. My top favourite, though, has to be my eCloth Kitchen Whiz. This is by far my favourite. You can clean with just water and remove 99% bacteria. And my eCloth sort of shiny cloth. These are my favourite gloves. I do also use the Spuntex gloves with almond oil in, which are lovely. I've got a teal trunk on here, some of my favourite tools for cleaning. This is the handy tool for cleaning, and my sonic scrubber you'll have seen me use cleaning my washing machine. Now I'm going to go on to my favourite products. So at the moment, my favourite washing up liquid at the moment is this Ecover, because it creates lots and lots of suds, which some other sort of eco-friendly washing up liquids can struggle to do. I've got obviously my vinegar, I buy that in bulk, and lemons, I usually have a few in here. Now this section here is all Method. This is my favourite wood polish at the moment, the Method wood polish. Of course, wild rhubarb, absolutely adore it. Same with the Antibac, absolutely love the smell of that. And I love that it's got lots of surfactants in it, so it creates lots of suds and it makes cleaning really easy and antibacterial at the same time, so I really like that. So the gel hand wash refills, that's helping me to reduce the amount of plastic I'm using. And now for my True Wash. So I absolutely love this stuff. This is the best shiny surface cleaner going, the best thing I've ever tried. It makes cleaning so fast. I've got my all-purpose tincture. So this is all-purpose cleaning product that's 100% natural. For me, I love the smell of it. I love that it comes with, there's an option to buy refills in a glass bottle. So I really like that. It's really, really eco-friendly and really effective and smells beautiful. Soda crystals, I use these for lots of different jobs around the home, which you'll have seen some of those already if you've watched my IGTVs. Bicarbonate of soda, I use this less often, and citric acid probably even less often. So that's for sort of descaling, but that's the only thing you need for descaling. It's the best descaler going. Now onto the bottom part, I've got my tincture refills. I've got my essential oils. So I've got lemon, lavender, tea tree, and eucalyptus. These are all good essential oils for cleaning. I haven't quite delved into this yet. I've been doing lots of reading and haven't really started making my own sort of products yet, but I will. Now I've got some disinfectants. So Fabulosa, this is my favourite scent of Fabulosa at the moment, although they have just brought out wild rhubarb, which I'm excited to try. I like this disinfectant because it contains surfactants, so it does actually help you to clean. And then I love this Sephora Mountain Air, the pet one. It's just always been my favourite and I just can't say goodbye to it. Now I've got the Astonish Oven and Grill Specialist Cleaner. This is really good stuff. Smells beautiful, does a brilliant job. The same with the stain remover, does a brilliant job. Then we've got the pink stuff, of course, which is a bit of a cult favourite. I'm going to be sharing my top tips on using the pink stuff soon. And here we have the One-Co, the carpet one. So I've got a few different scents here as my carpet refresher. So that is my trolley. I haven't shown you around the sides actually. There's extra storage on the sides in these boxes. So I've got a dusting glove in here. I've got the bottom part for my Vera and some cloths here. And then on this side, I've got my tools. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. I think Figaro is enjoying that.